Hi guys, Sam from the Bodycentre here. Now I promise you, well, you're probably thinking, whatever's he got on his chest? No, I haven't killed a little mouse. Jake had a job of going to get us some new microphones, and he decided to get some white ones with our black uniform.
No.
Yes, Jake.
No,
yes, Jake.
Them on the spot.
No, I didn't.
Impulsive.
You picked it.
No.
No. Jake done this. Isaac, come here. Come here, Isaac. So guys, as you may have seen from my Instagram page as well, young Isaac here. Isaac's always here, running about the workshops, trying to keep him blooming safe. He's crazy. We done a post for Isaac, and as you may have said, it went crazy in the newspapers. We all come together with some other car enthusiasts around town to get Isaac some funds together to get this camera. So we've got him this camera as well. So he's here even more now.
Can't get rid of him.
Can't get rid of him.
Getting better
He's always
this
here.
time.
Yeah, he's made it. He's in London. You got a YouTube page yet?
Not yet.
Come on, Isaac.
Come on.
Get it. That's where the money is.
Yeah.
Me and Jake, we haven't made it yet at all because we're lucky if we get 200 views on ours. Yeah. Yeah, we spend like a week on a video and we get about 200 views.
To 10,000.
Well, there's actually one on 700,000.
There's one on 700.
I edited that one as well.
Years ago.
It was years ago.
And changed it and messed it up.
I did, yep, I changed the thumbnail. Any YouTubers out there, as you know, don't change the thumbnails of a video once it's been posted because it will just kill it. It's exactly what I done. Anyway, we're now going to be getting into the start of this video. We have on site this week a Lamborghini Aventador. It's in for one of our newest services, TBC Skins. We're going to be TBC skinning in clear the whole front end of this Lamborghini to eliminate all the stone chips from the front end that they do pick up because they're so low. You right?
Yeah.
And while it's in on site, it's then going to be going to our sister company, TBC Detailing, for a full premium package, ceramic, 3-stage paint correction with a ceramic coating on top. So let's get behind the scenes. Let's strip this car down. We've only actually done one Lamborghini Aventador before, haven't we? So this is now our second.
Yes.
As you can see over my shoulder.
No.
No, you can't see it. Oh, is that the next video?
Yeah, that's the next
That's the next video.
Don't listen. No.
Let's get into the workshop, let's go.